Good day, everyone, and today we are going to try and solve question 3A part 2 of the 2023 NCEA calculus paper titled Apply Calculus Method in Solving Problem. This is a merit question, and if you have not watched part 1, please do so because it's a continuation of that question. Okay, so part 2 sounds like this. We're going to adjust the paper. The question is, what is the maximum number of followers that the social media account has during the first 90 days? So we know that from part 1, the function ft is 5t cubed minus 840t squared plus 42,180t. So when we differentiate it, it's going to be 15t squared minus 1,680t plus 42,180. So if you want to get the maximum number, we always have to make the turning point or the first derivative equal to 0. So we're going to do that. 0 equals to 15t squared minus 1680t plus 42,180. Okay, to solve for t, you can put in your calculator, but I'm going to do a manual calculation. So what we're going to do, we're going to factorize that equation. So we're going to be 15 is a common factor, and then become t squared minus 112 t, and the last function is 2,812. Please check for me whether I'm right. That is equal to 0. Okay, so now we need to factorize that part. So it's going to be t and t, and I've done it before. It's going to be minus 38 and minus 74, because they become minus 38t and that become minus 74t. Okay, when you add them up together, they should give you minus 112t. That's what we got in the middle. So the equation is going to be 15 bracket t minus 38 t minus 74, and that is equal to 0. If you solve for t equals to 38 or t equals to 74. So if you want to draw the graph, so it's going to be a cubic graph. This function is a cubic graph. Cube is going to be a positive cubic, it's going to look like that. So most likely it's going to be 38, and that must be 74. But because we have to use calculus, we need to confirm that 38 is maximum and 74 is minimum. We do the second derivative. So we do a second derivative of that. So f second derivative of t is going to be 30t minus 1680. So when we substitute 38 into that equation, f 238, what we get, you got 30 times 38 minus 1680, or simplify, going to be 1140 minus 1680, and the answer comes up to minus 540. Because it's a negative number, it is a local maximum. Okay, so if it's a negative in maximum, positive is minimum. So we're going to do the same thing for 74. F 274 is going to be 30 times 74 minus 1680. 30 times 74, I calculated, is 2220 minus 1680, and the answer comes up to 540 this time. Positive 540, and so that is a local minimum. So we are right. So the maximum, it happens when t equals to 38. So t equals 38 is the maximum point. So that will give you a merit in this paper. So hopefully you watch the other videos that coming up after this, and I'll see you soon. Cheers everyone, have a great day.